Hey, this is David. Today I'm going to show you how to test and replace the drum roller on an electric Kenmore dryer when it sounds like this. Does your dryer sound like that? If it does, we need to check it out. In case you were wondering, the drum roller supports the drum as it rotates so the dryer can work smoothly and quietly, at least until it fails, which is when we'd end up with the lovely noise we're trying to get to the bottom of today. You might need to change out the drum roller if it fails testing or has been damaged. Before we get started, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more guides to help you make other appliance repairs yourself. Thanks for your support. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. First, we need to get our tools together. Today, we'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a putty knife, a number 20 Torx bit, and a small flathead screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your dryer by unplugging it or switching the breaker off before working on it. To check the drum rollers, you'll need to use your putty knife to push in on the 2 clips that hold the console in place. Then push the console upward and back. We'll need to use a 1/4-inch nut driver to remove the top panel. We need to use a putty knife and push in on the 2 clips that hold the front panel in place, then we can remove it. We need to open the door and remove the lint screen. Then use your 1/4-inch nut driver to remove the screws holding the blower housing cover. Let's find the yellow wire that attaches to the bottom of the front panel and remove it. Next, remove the door springs on either side. Then remove the 2 1/4-inch screws at the bottom of the front panel. Once that's done, you'll need to get the Torx 20 bit and remove the 2 screws at the top of the outer door panel. Then we can disconnect the door switch and the front panel should lift right off. We need to reach underneath and release the drum belt from the idler pulley. Then use the belt to lift the drum up and out. We need to find the rollers and turn them by hand. Are they hard to turn or do they wobble from side to side? If they do, they'll need to be replaced. And take a note here, this specific dryer and many others will have 2 rollers on the back bulkhead and 2 more on the front bulkhead. So if you need to replace the rollers, be sure to replace them all at the same time. You should see a white plastic triangle keeper that keeps the roller from coming off the shaft. You'll need to use a flat blade screwdriver to remove the keeper, then the roller. You can wipe the axle off at this point, but do not, I repeat, do not lubricate the axle or the roller. It already has a lubricant built into the metal, and adding anything else can really mess the roller up. Here's the old drum roller, and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. All you need to do is put the new roller on and reattach the triangle keeper. Finally, we can install the drum and the drum belt and the front panel. Make sure the door switch is connected. Next up is the blower housing. Door springs, and yellow wire. Once you put the bottom cover back in place, you can open the door and insert the lint screen and replace the top panel. Once you secure the console, you're done. Don't forget to plug the dryer back in or flip the circuit breaker back on. Look at you, you did it. Great job, and thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. And if you haven't gotten a new drum roller yet, grab your model number and head over to appliancepartspros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. While you're here, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos, and of course, all the parts you need to do it yourself at appliancepartspros.com. Thanks for your time and support, and we'll see you next time.